Why do your hands shake the moment you start driving? You're driving fine until suddenly there's traffic, people, and too many things happening at once. This isn't because you're bad at driving, it's because your brain thinks you're in danger. When your brain sees too many moving objects, it goes into overload and triggers fear. And that's when beginners make these mistakes. They look everywhere except where they should. They press the brake too hard, or they freeze completely. Here's how to stay calm and in control. Step 1. Focus. Focus only on the car in front of you. Step 2. Slow breathing. Take slow, steady breaths. Step 3. Simplify. You don't need to control everything, just your lane and your speed. Driving isn't about reacting to everything, it's about controlling your focus.